Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're starting a tax prep business, one of the first decisions you'll make is which tax software to use. Let me walk you through the main options. Drake Tax is probably one of the most popular choices for independent preparers. It's reliable, it's been around forever, and the pricing is really reasonable. You pay an annual license fee, usually in the range of $1,500 to $2,000, depending on the package, and you can file unlimited returns. Good for preparers who expect to do decent volume. Lacerte, made by Intuit, is another strong option. It handles complex returns well and integrates with a lot of other tools. It's a bit more expensive, typically $2,000 to $4,000 per year. Firms that deal with small businesses, multi-state, and partnership returns tend to gravitate here. TaxSlayer Pro is a solid budget option as well. They offer pay-per return pricing, which is ideal when you're just getting started and you don't know how many returns you're actually going to file your first year. You might pay $30 to $40 per return instead of a big annual fee up front. That lets you grow into the cost. UltraTax by Thomson Reuters is also a heavy hitter. It's what a lot of CPA firms use. Powerful but expensive, and probably more than a new preparer needs in year one. There are other options too, like TaxAct Professional, Pro Series, and ATX. Each has its pros and cons. Here's my advice for new preparers. Start with either Drake or TaxSlayer Pro. Drake if you're confident you'll do enough volume to justify the annual fee. TaxSlayer Pro if you want to keep your upfront costs low and pay as you go. You can always switch software later once you know your volume and your client's needs. The software is a tool. What matters more is that you know what you're doing before you sit down at that keyboard. And that's what we focus on at MuseSpring. Learn more at MuseSpring.com. Quick reminder, as always, everything on this channel is educational and is provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. If you have a specific legal or tax question, talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.